Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find or get Bash promo codes. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration, I'm going to open up a web browser and I'm going to go to Google, and in the Google search box I'm going to type in Bash promo codes. Then I'm going to hit search, and now this will bring up a list of Google search results with Bash promo codes. So as you can see, we've got Coupon Chief, 50% off Bash coupon promo codes. If we scroll down the list, there'll be more here as well. Love coupons, We Thrift It, etc. So the one I'm going to use is We Thrift It. This is a good third-party site to find promo code deals on different websites. So if we click into We Thrift It, if I scroll down, you can even see the history of promo codes. So here we go here on this one. So save money, select HP laptops. The best Bash coupon code is this one here. So you can copy this code and paste this at the checkout section. You can also show history of these promo codes as well. So you can see this one was last used 4 days ago with 124 total uses, and it was reported working by shoppers 24 days ago. So this is a good website to get promo code deals. If you come back daily or weekly, they do update their promo codes as well. And I'm going to check out this one here at Coupon Chief, 50% off Bash. So if we go ahead and click on Get Deal here, /50% off Bash dress collection. If we scroll down, there's more here as well, 10% off your first purchase. So if we go ahead and click on Get Promo Code, this is the promo code deal here. So we're going to copy this and then paste this at the checkout section of Bash to receive 10% off your first order.